Hello guys, today we have this Phomemo TP88 tattoo transfer stencil printer. It is a thermal printer. Let's go ahead and unbox it and let's go ahead and see what comes inside. It comes with 10 pieces of tattoo transfer paper. It comes with the printer itself. Look how portable and mobile this is. Okay, now on the back it gets you all the instructions and even the after sales service, options and contact information. So that way, if you need any service, you can definitely contact the manufacturer. Now this thermal printer can actually be charged through USB Type-C. Okay, it gets provided a cable and a dust bag. Okay, this is the cable. It's a Type-C to USB-A, and then we have this little dongle right here, just in case you want to convert this, to Type-C to Type-C, just in case you draw on an iPad or on a tablet or even on a phone or any device that has an operating system like Windows, Android, iOS, or even your MacBook Pro or your regular MacBook, okay? So it's compatible with any operating system. The stencil printer is compatible with A4 and letter size paper. It has a wide compatibility in between PCs, iOSs, Androids, tablets, phones, any device that has an operating system and can download, the app. It's able to actually connect to this printer. Now this printer is Bluetooth connected. The printer has an anti-wrinkle function, so that way it doesn't wrinkle your paper. The powerful app on this printer can actually handle mobile pictures, cropping, multiple movements, and also if you upload a picture of you, you can actually preview the tattoo on your skin. The thermal printer has a battery of 1200 milliamperes, so that means that you can actually get this printer on the go, and it doesn't need to be connected all the time. It has its own battery. With one full charge of the battery, you can actually print up to 140 transfer papers. That is some power on the battery. I'm gonna go ahead and download the Phomemo app, which is already on my phone. This, terms and conditions. We're gonna go ahead and start connecting, okay? It's gonna tell me that if I want to allow some permissions, it's up to you. You need to allow them. And you're gonna press and hold, here the button as it says. Okay, whenever it beeps, it means that it's detecting, the phone, and the phone's detecting the printer. So we can go ahead and connect now. We're done connecting our phone to our thermal printer, okay? Now it's time to actually start printing our tattoos on the stencils. The first step you're gonna do, you're gonna go ahead and open your printer just right here, okay? We're gonna go ahead and take out the protective paper right here. We're gonna turn our sheets right here, and we're gonna grab a ruler, okay, right here. And we're gonna cut this yellow paper off. Okay, this simple. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and stick our transfer paper right here with the white paper facing up and make sure that it's centered all the way. All right, so our transfer paper is ready and our printer is ready because it's green. We're gonna go to the free editing right here. We're gonna choose the image that we want to transfer. We're gonna say done and we're gonna say print. Okay, and print again. It's gonna start printing right here. Okay, and this is the way that we're gonna get our stencil from here. From here, you're just gonna go ahead and put these two papers apart. Okay, this is gonna be our transfer paper, and this is ready to get tattooed on a skin. So I hope that the information in this video was helpful. I definitely want to thank you for watching and see you on the next video.